Imagine finding a hidden key that unlocks a magical secret garden full of wonders no one else knows about. Hi there. In today's story, we will join a curious girl named Lily as she discovers a beautiful hidden garden full of mysteries. Ready for an adventure? Let's dive into the secret garden. In a quaint little town lived a curious girl named Lily. She loved nature and dreamed of discovering hidden treasures. One day, while exploring her backyard, she stumbled upon something magical. While digging in her garden, Lily found an old rusty key. It was unlike anything she had ever seen. What could it open? She wondered, her heart racing with excitement. Determined to find out, Lily searched her garden. After a while, she noticed a peculiar door concealed by thick vines. Her heart raced as she inserted the key into the lock. With a click, the door creaked open. Beyond the door lay a breathtaking garden, overflowing with colorful flowers and sweet scents. Lily felt like she had stepped into a fairy tale. She began to explore, fascinated by the beauty around her. As she wandered deeper, she met an elderly man with a gentle smile. "Welcome, young one," he said. "I am the guardian of this garden. Few have found their way here." He explained that each flower held a unique magic. Some could heal, while others could bring happiness. Lily listened in awe, her imagination running wild. Lily spent a day helping the guardian, learning about the flowers and their powers. She realized that the magic of the garden was not just in the flowers but in sharing and caring for them. As the sun began to set, Lily knew it was time to leave. "Thank you for sharing this magical place with me," she said. The guardian smiled. "Remember, the magic of the garden lives on in your heart." Back home, Lily hung the key on her wall as a reminder of the secret garden. She knew that every time she cared of her own plants, she was sharing the garden's magic with the world. Thank you so much for joining me on today's reading adventure. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to Read Smart for more exciting stories and tips to improve your reading skills. hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next story. Thank you.